Interesting facts about Oreos. Oreo is the best-selling biscuits in the world. Oreo cookies have been around for almost a century. Oreo's biscuit was first produced in 1912. Oreos have come in nearly 50 different varieties. The flavors that have been discontinued are kept in the museum. Each cookie takes 2 hours to make. Oreo has previously set 2 Guinness World Records. Oreo used to contain pork fat until the 1990s. On March 6th, Oreos celebrate their own national holiday. Oreos with cherry cola are available in the United States. Green tea ice cream Oreos are available in China. Oreos even have their own street. The Oreo biscuit became the Oreo sandwich in 1921. In 1948, it was given a new name, the Oreo creme sandwich. In 1974, the brand changed its name to Oreo chocolate sandwich cookies. Oreo cookies are sold by the weight. The biscuit was first released in 2 flavors, original and lemon meringue. Oreos are spread in more than 100 countries. Oreo received a Halo certification in December 1997. That was the video about Oreo Facts. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe like button and comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.